How to copy a board on Trello. So let's get started. From the homepage, click on Boards and choose the boards you would like to copy. Next, click on these three dots. And if you scroll a little bit down, you can see Copy a Board. Click on it. Then you just need to name it and simply click on Create. Okay, and when you go back, here you can see the copy of the board. And this is how can you do it. I'm going to show you one more time, very quick. So we would like to copy this board. Again, click on these three dots. This menu will show up. Scroll down, click on Copy Board, name your board, and simply click on Create. And that's it. This is how can you do it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment or like. And if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. See you.